In this video, we are going to create the story table. The story table will contain data for stories. So click on the database, Instagram, create a new table, call it stories. The number of columns will be 4. So the first one over here will be story underscore ID. It will be auto increment. And the second one over here is the user underscore ID. This one over here will contain the user who posted the story, which will be 11. And this one over here will contain the date of the story. So story underscore image. It will be varchar. The number of length will be 255. And the last one over here is the time that the story is being created. This one will be created at. So this one over here will be date time. Then the default over here will be current timestamp. Then click on save. Okay, so this is what we have. Story underscore ID, user ID, story underscore image, created at.